How to close your Steam account and remove a payment info. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get through store.steampowered.com, and then from that, make sure that you are logged into your Steam account. After doing that, what are we going to do is first of all remove our cards. For that, tap on the menu bar on the top left corner, and if you are logged into account, you'll actually be able to see your account details. Then from here, simply delete and then from there, simply tap on delete next to the saved payment methods, and that's how you'll be able to remove cards, right? So after doing that, here, what we're going to do is simply, again, tap on that menu bar right here, and then from there, you'll actually be able to see support, tap on support, and then from there, you'll actually be able to contact to the support team of your Steam, right? Then from there, all you need to do is simply get through the contact of Steam, and then from there you would need to simply search for delete my account, then select the proceed to account deletion option. Then you would need to provide all of the requested proof of original ownership. For example, it could be first email used or past billing info, and then submit the ticket. Then from there, that is exactly how you'll be able to close your Steam account and remove a payment info. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.